Today we're going to explore how to merge and unmerge cells using the IronXL library. Alright coders, welcome to the tutorial. Today we're going to explore how to merge and unmerge cells in Excel using the IronXL library. If you haven't done it yet, make sure that you have the IronXL library installed. You can do so using the NuGet package manager. So I've already written some basic script that we're going to walk through, so let me switch to my program.cs file now. So this code starts by loading an existing Excel workbook located at the C drive with the name data.xlsx and loading that into a workbook object named workbook. It then retrieves the default worksheet of this workbook and stores it in a worksheet object called worksheet. After that, the code defines a cell range from B2 to B5 and it stores it in a variable named range. It then proceeds to merge cells within the two different ranges, and first it merges cells from B7 to E7, and in second it merges cells in the previously defined range B2 to B5. So the code also retrieves a list of all the merged regions within the worksheet using the get merged regions and print out their addresses. Finally, although the line is commented out, there is an option to unmerge the cell range B7 to E7. At the end, the workbook is saved with the name merged cell.xlsx, reflecting the changes made to the merged cells. So let's go ahead and run the project. Alright, so the console displays the addresses of the merged cell regions, and you can also open the saved Excel file to visually inspect the merged cells. So here's our output Excel file named merged cell.xlsx. You can see the cells from B7 to E7 have been successfully merged into a single cell. Similarly, the cells from B2 to B5 are merged into a single cell, just as we specified in the code. So as you can see, the code has done its job perfectly, and that's how you merge and unmerge cells in Excel using the IronXL library. Alright guys, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Click the like, click the subscribe if you like what we're doing. If you have any comments, questions, throw that down in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you guys. And if you're still on the fence and haven't tried out our software yet, we have a free trial in the link that's in the description below. Check it out.